what sort of monitoring has it done? On Assam-Meghalaya border, as stated in Para 5 on page 2 of Governor's address. Had the government continuously monitored, as stated in Governor's address, the incident when Assam police attack our beloved villages would not have taken place or occur when they are trying to clear the jungle for SEB electrification. I wonder whether this continuously monitoring of Assam-Meghalaya border is a lie. I'm so sorry I have to use the words. It's a lie. I therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, seek the clarification of the government on this particular matter. On the home front, Para 8, page 2 of Governor's address, it was stated that administration and the police had effectively dealt with the agitation of last year. Yes, it did with so many damages, but the issues has not been solved till date, and the government remains silent on the issue of sweeper lane. It seems that law and order hunting the government, otherwise the Maulonghat lane would have been open by now. The government should understand that the blocking of this lane as road had adversely affected the movement of traffic. The movement of traffic and has been one of the major causes which further increase traffic congestion. Imagine all vehicles, all types of vehicles coming from upper Shillong and Molai towards Kandaila. PB has only one route, that is through civil hospital. If the government feel that there is no law and order problem, then open the Maulonghat road. That's what I demand to the government of the day. They fool and they misleading the people all over. Now, nearly a year, this issue has been left out. Why? Is there any law and order problem arise in a state, or because they are afraid of the shaking of the share? Till date, they blocking the road. We are extremely face the problem in the entire city. Who will take the sole responsible? Who will be the sole responsible? I now question the government, Mr. Speaker, sir, why this road is not open to traffic till now. With a heavy heart, I take up this issue. This issue belongs and it falls into my constituency. And they don't even dare to include me also in a committee which people are awaiting what result will be. What will be the outcome of this committee headed by our respected Deputy Chief Minister? On the field of education, starting from page 4 to page 5 of Governor's address, it seems that the government achievement and policy are very rosy in picture. But I have only one question to ask the government on the leakage of MTET, Meghalaya teachers eligibility tests. May I clarify, may I get the clarification on this particular matter, since this particular subject deals with education quality. Next subject, on the election front, para number 106 and 107 of page 33-34. The government highlight nothing except for its outstanding campaign on voters' awareness and voters' education. But to me, the performance of election department is not up to the mark. For instances, what action the election department has taken on the video clip that shows the Honorable Transport Minister that has gone viral on social media, showing him asking the voters to leave the queue if they are not in favor of his candidate at Oppn police station, has reported in Shillong Times, dated March 1st, 2019. Where are the election officers on duty? Another incident taken place in my constituency in the midnight of 26 February at 11:30 p.m. midnight. I believe that only theft can be in any part of activities. 11:30, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. My party men caught NPP members distributing money for voters in favor of NPP candidate from Mokhar Pentor constituency. Therefore, I also put a question mark. Where are the election officers on duty? We want justice. Last subject, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir. District Council affair. I'm very upset about District Council because I'm also being a member of District Council for the last 2 years, for the last 2 terms. I sit alone in a opposition bench to follow up the issue which affected the indigenous tribe. So with the respect, it is really upset, and it was a great disappointment. When I read through this governor's address, it written clearly, the state government will continue to promote synergy and convergence and continue to support the Autonomous District Council for administration and governance of the scheduled area in the interest of the indigenous citizen. Most of the time I've seen and I've experienced, it is not about the interest of the indigenous, it is not about the interest of the larger interest of the people, but it is the interest of the particular member or the particular party. I'm dare to say, talk about VAB. What's happened? What's happening about VAB? Village Administration Bill, sir, please give me a privilege, since you have already our honorable members earlier had already bypassed what your rules has been given to them. Only 5 minutes, some of them 15 minutes, some of them half an hour. Please give privilege to all of our members, because this is the only place that we are going to express our right. Please, sir, please bear with me. No other place rather than this place. Talk about VAB, land bill, ILP, building bylaws. Till now we are left dilemma. Who will take responsible in this issue? If we talk about primary school, if we talk about issuing authority of Shillong tribe, how come the state government snatch away our right, which this very particular subject supposed to issue by the district council, who will take this sole responsible for this? Sir, I'm scared about converting district council to territorial council. MHA proposal, it has been said clearly that strengthening, what exactly meaning that strengthening? Strengthening, it doesn't mean to increase more seat from the existing seat, from 30 seat to 50 seat. It is not the real meaning of strengthening. Enhancement of fund, more fund, direct fund to the district council, that also doesn't mean the very meaning of strengthening. Strengthening means give back the power which belong to the district council. Sir, before I resume my seat, I once again like to request the government of the day, please be serious with the issue. I'm afraid many such instances may have occurred in our state, but when unnoticed because of the election officer on duty regarding the subject matter of election. As such, the